We are right now at Jiangsu City, a reputed capital of Chinese traditional medicine in East China's Jiangxi province. I'm Huang Haoran with Xinhua News Agency. Beside me is Fadi, a foreign student from Pakistan.
I'm Fahad Kabir from Pakistan. I am doing my internship. I have studied my 5th year education from Jiangxi University of Traditional Chinese Medicine.
So, do you have any experience of how Chinese herb medicine is cultivated?
No, actually, I don't have any experience about it.
Then today we have opportunity to visit a herb planting base here.
Wow, I think it's really going to be a wonderful opportunity for me to see such base herbing.
So, let's go.
Thank you so much, man.
我给你介绍一下，我们现在这边种的是我们樟树的道地药材枳壳我们种了将近1万亩。就我们这个，你看这边有一个
哦，这边有一个，
对对对，
这是怎么喂的？我可以闻一下吗？
可以可以。
啊，感觉喜欢了，好闻。那这个中医里面有什么作用？
它主要功效呢，就是我们叫理气宽中消滞。
那你们还有这么大的1万亩，那你们怎么管理？
这个我们可以到我们里边可以看一看，这就是我们的基地物联网。首先，这个你看这大的是我们这个视频采集监控系统，那么我们可以通过这个系统实时的观测我们树木生长情况，来辅助我们农事作业。不过这个我们叫做生态环境系统。那么我们通过对这些土壤各种数据进行监测，特别是现在捡龙蚕、重金属我们这个铜、铅、铬这些重金属元素，我们都能够实时的观测它的一些数据，来确保我们这个种材的药材能够达到国家标准。
那这么大的面积，那你们需要多少人？
我们采用的是我们孟达首创的541模式，这个所有这个村委所有的476户，2056人全部是我们公司的股东。他们占有我们公司50%的那个股份，那他们农户呢，他不需要投1分钱，只需要以土地入股我们公司，那就能享受这些收益。然后预计到明年的话，这个每一亩地农户每亩地最少是征收1000元以上。
For me, honestly speaking, it's a wonderful experience to come visit a farm, medicinal farm, where medicines are grown, and I think the Chinese medicine, the way it's progressing, I think it's really fascinating. Because during the pandemic, I have seen that how Chinese medicine, they treated the corona patient. And at the same time, if I have to talk about that Chinese medicine doesn't only cure the disease, it also gives the opportunities to new employments, to development of industries and backward areas. I think Chinese medicine is progressing day by day. While staying and studying in China, I have seen that life here really taught me a lot of things. That my experience, if I have to talk about the China, that how do I feel now? Because my 5-year journey till now about medicine life and after internship life, I think that China is a place which is opening up. And now we have seen that how One Belt and One Road initiative is bringing more and more opportunities to the other countries. And at the same time, I think I'm happy that my country is also the part of One Belt and One Road, and such a development work is going on. And one of the best thing I feel that is traditional Chinese medicine, I think is going to be expanded.